Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
So, Krishna personally instructing Bhagavad Gita to understand him, so we should take advantage of this. Otherwise, we are missing this opportunity, this human form of Christ. Krishna is not teaching Bhagavad Gita to some cats and dogs. He is teaching to the most influential person, Imamaraja Sayobidu. So Bhagavad Gita is meant for the Rajarsi, very rich, opulent, at the same time saintly person. Formerly all the kings were Rajarsi, Raja and Rishi combined together. So the Bhagavad Gita is not meant for the lower class. It is to be understood by the heads of the society. Jat jat acharati sreshtha tat tad eva itare jana. So those who are claiming to be the leaders of the society, they must learn Bhagavad Gita, how to become practical and actual leader. Then the society will be benefited. And if we follow the instruction of Bhagavad Gita and Krishna, then all problems will be solved. It is not a sectarian religious sentiment or fanaticism. It is not that. It is a science, social science, political science, cultural science. Everything is there. So our request is that every one of you become a guru. That is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's order. He wants that everyone must become a guru. How? That he says, Amar agnaye guru haiya taro yaide. Jare dakho tare kaho Krishna upadesh. This is guru. Suppose you are family members, so many living entities, your sons, your daughters, your daughter-in-law, your children, you can become their guru. Exactly like this, you can sit down in the evening and talk about Bhagavad Gita. Jare dakho tare kaho Krishna bole. You haven't got to manufacture something. The instruction is there. You simply repeat and let them hear. You become guru. It is not difficult at all. So that is our preaching. We do not want to become alone guru, but we want to preach in such a way that every the chief man or any man, he can become guru, and his surrounding, anyone can do that. Even a coolie, he can also. He has got family, he has got friends. So, even though he is illiterate, he can hear the instruction of Krishna and he can preach the same. This we want. And we invite all respectable gentlemen, leaders, to learn this. It is very simple. Manmana bhavamad bhakta madhyaji mang namaskuru. And by executing this order of Krishna, he assures, Mameva ishyasi, you come to me. Jadgatyana nivartanti tadhama paramam mama. Saktadi ham punarjanmanaiti mamiti kaunsya. Very easy thing. So our only request is, the leaders of the society should take up the teachings of Bhagavad Gita very seriously, learn himself and teach to others. That is Krishna consciousness movement. It is not at all difficult. It's very easy, everyone can do it. But the result will be that as soon as you understand, people understand Krishna, Janma karma me dibbam jo janati tattvata. Anyone who understands Krishna, the result is sakkadeham punarjanmanaiti. After giving up this body, he does not accept any more material body. He stays in his spiritual identity and enjoys the society of Krishna. That is Vrindavan. Gopijana Vallabha. Krishna Vrindavan means that Krishna is the center. He is the lovable object of everyone. The gopis, the cowherds' boys, the calves, the cows, the trees, the food, fruits, flowers, the father, mother, everyone is attached to Krishna. That is Vrindavan. So this is the replica, this Vrindavan, and there is real Vrindavan. This is also real. In the absolute, there is no difference. But for our understanding, there is original Vrindavan. Chintamani prakara sadmasu kalvavrikkala kabriti susuravira vipalayantam Lakshmi sahasra sata sambrama sevamanam govindamadi purisam tavam bhaja dinam kandantam aravinda dalayathaksam varahavatam samasitam buddhasundarangam kandatva koti kamaniya visesa shobham govinda. This is the description. Goloka, Vrindavan.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare